Greetings students. Today we are going to learn about one of the leading brand L'Oreal, which is France-based cosmetics and beauty company. Let us know this company in a much better way. The L'Oreal Group is a French cosmetics and beauty company headquartered in Clichy-Haute-de-Seine, France. It is the world's largest cosmetics company and has a registered office in Paris. It has developed activities in the field of cosmetics, concentrating on hair color, skin care, sun protection, makeup, perfumes, and hair care. The company is active in the dermatological, tissue engineering, and pharmaceutical fields and is the top nanotechnology patent holder in the United States. As the biggest beauty brand in the world, L'Oréal Paris has an unparalleled commitment to technology, research and innovation, providing groundbreaking, high-quality products for women, men and children of all ages and ethnicities. In 1909, Eugene Schuller, a young French chemist, developed a hair dye formula called Oriel. Schuller formulated and manufactured his own product, which he then sold to Parisian hairdressers. On 31st July 1919, Schuller registered his company, the Société Française des Teigneurs, Inoffensives Porcheviques, Safe Hair Dye Company of France. The guiding principle of the company, which eventually became L'Oréal, were research and innovation in the field of beauty. In 1920, the company employed 3 chemists. By 1950, the teams were 100 strong. That number reached 1,000 by 1984 and is nearly 2,000 today. L'Oréal hired several members of the group as executives after World War II, such as Jacques Courrèze, who served as CEO of the United States operation. This involvement was extensively researched by Michael Bar-Zohar in his book Bitter Scent. L'Oréal has 6 worldwide research and development centers, 2 in France, Aulnay and Cheveley, 1 in the US, Clark, New Jersey, 1 in Japan, Kawasaki, Kanagawa Prefecture. In 2005, 1 was established in Shanghai, China, and 1 in India. A future facility in the US will be in Berkeley Heights, New Jersey. On 17th March 2006, L'Oréal purchased cosmetics company The Body Shop for £562 million. L'Oréal's famous advertising slogan is "Because I'm worth it." In the mid-2000s, this was replaced by "Because you're worth it." In late 2009, the slogan was changed again to "Because we're worth it," following motivation analysis and work into customer psychology of Dr. Maxim Titorenko. The shift to "we" was made to create stronger consumer involvement in L'Oréal philosophy and lifestyle and provide more consumer satisfaction with L'Oréal products. L'Oréal also owns a hair and body products line for kids called L'Oréal Kids, the slogan for which is "Because we're worth it too." In November 2012, L'Oréal inaugurated the largest factory in the Jababeka Industrial Park, Cikarang, Indonesia, with a total investment of $100 million. On 11 February 2014, it was announced that L'Oréal has sealed a deal worth €3.4 billion to buy back 8% of its shares from Swiss consumer goods giant Nestlé. As a result of the deal, Nestlé's stake in L'Oréal will be reduced from 29.4% to 23.29%, while the Bettencourt Meyers family stake will increase from 30.6% to 33.2%. On 20th February 2014, Shiseido agreed to sell its Clarita and Declior brands to L'Oréal for €227.5 million. On 18th June 2014, L'Oréal agreed to acquire NYX Cosmetics for an undisclosed price, bolstering its makeup offer in North America, where its consumer products units had faltered. L'Oréal Group has its head office in the Centre Eugène Sculler in Clichy-Haute-de-Seine near Paris. The building, constructed in the 1970s from brick and steel, replaced the former Montsavon factory, and employees moved into the facilities in 1978. 1,400 employees work in the building. Qualitor added that the facility gives the impression of a high-security zone due to the CCTV cameras and the security equipment. The world's largest hair salon is located inside the head office building. L'Oréal USA has its headquarters in New York City. Its New Jersey headquarters is in Berkeley Heights. In 2003, L'Oreal announced its 19th consecutive year of double-digit growth. Their consolidated sale was 14.029 billion euro and net profit was 1.653 billion euros. 96.7% of sales derived from cosmetic activities and 2.5% from dermatological activities. L'Oreal has operations in over 130 countries, employing 50,500 people, 24% of which work in France. 3.3% of consolidated sales are invested in research and development, which accounts for 2,900 of its employees. In 2003, it applied for 515 patents. It operates 42 manufacturing plants throughout the world, which employ 14,000 people. In 2007, L'Oreal was ranked 353 in the Fortune Global 500. The company had earned $2,585 million on sales of $19,811 million. There were 60,850 employees. L'Oreal holds 10.41% of the shares of Sanofi-Aventis, the world's number 3 and Europe's number 1 pharmaceutical company. The Laboratories in Cork is a joint venture in nutritional cosmetics between L'Oreal and Nestlé. They draw on L'Oreal knowledge in the fields of nutrition and food safety. In 2008, L'Oreal was named Europe's top business employer by the European Student Barometer, a survey conducted by Trendins that covers 20 European countries and incorporates the responses of over 91,000 students. The L'Oreal's UNESCO Awards for Women in Science was established to improve the position of women in science by recognizing outstanding women researchers who have contributed to scientific progress. The awards are a result of a partnership between the French cosmetics company L'Oreal and the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, and they carry a grant of $100,000 for each laureate. The same partnership awards the UNESCO L'Oreal International Fellowships, providing up to $40,000 in funding over 2 years to 15 young women scientists engaged in exemplary and promising research products. L'Oreal organizes every year the L'Oreal Brandstorm, an acknowledged business game for students in 43 countries. The game is related to marketing and has a first prize of $10,000, a second prize of $5,000 and a third prize of $2,500. L'Oreal is also involved in the Look Good, Feel Better project, which is a beauty industry charity which was formed over 16 years ago to help women combat the visible side effects of their cancer treatment, of which L'Oreal is a founder member. In 1993, L'Oreal was faced with problems due to animal rights activists who protested about the use of animal testing by the company. Following L'Oreal's purchase of The Body Shop, who continued to be against animal testing, The Body Shop founder Dame Anita Roddick was forced to defend herself against allegations of abandoning her principles over L'Oreal's track record on animal testing. Calls were made for shoppers to boycott The Body Shop. Other controversy arose when Gene Friedman, a shareholder and board member of Paravision, a film subsidiary of L'Oreal, was fired. He claims that he was let go because L'Oreal wanted to avoid an Arab boycott of businesses associated with Jews. In turn, Friedman decided to expose the past of L'Oreal executives. So students, we got to know about the various aspects of L'Oreal. We went through the company's history to its present market scenario. Hope the information about the company was useful and have a good day ahead.